Hello and welcome to this video demonstration of how you can analyze redirects, canonical references and meta refreshes inside a website. So to begin, we will initiate a crawl of our demo website. Here you will see some crawl results, but we are not interested in anything but URLs that redirect or reference another URL through canonical in some way or the other, and we are only interested in certain data columns. We could configure this ourselves through the filters and data columns, but we will use the built-in report, show only URLs that redirect. We will just resize this. Okay, here we have selected HTTP redirects, canonical references, meta refresh redirects, and pages should not have no index, and we only want URLs that have response codes 200, 301, 302, 307. So to begin, we can see this URL canonical to other. We can see the destination, and we can also see the response code of the destination. Canonical destination.html. Okay, so canonical references are pretty easy in that regard. For HTTP redirects, we have start.php redirects to middle.php, and the final destination is end.php, and we can see this has the number 2 in redirects chain count, and it simply means that the start.php redirects to middle.php, which in turn redirects to end.php. So from start to middle to the end. And you can quickly see the final path for redirects and also the final destination response code. Okay, so you may not be interested in all of these data columns. You may only be interested in simply seeing which URLs redirect and the final destination. You can configure this yourself in the data columns. This is a built-in report, and when you get used to it, you can quickly see how your redirects are working, or if maybe an URL redirect to a destination page that does not exist 404 not found, for instance. So it can be quite convenient to check up on canonical references as well, to make sure you have set those up correctly. Many website owners have various issues in their websites where canonical is, well, all over the place. Okay, so suppose you are a website owner, but you need someone else to fix this. Well, having selected this control and have this data visible, you can simply say, okay, export selected data to file. You also have various options, but for most people, simply select export selected data to file and select whatever format you want, Excel or comma separate values file, and you're done. Email them the file and you can move on to your next task. Thank you for watching this video.